One is a flight of 4, hold the short 27 right, pressure right 270, departure.
Enter 12281 flight, Gillespie Tower, approved as requested, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, wind 200 at 5, and for situational awareness bases were reported 2,500 about 30 minutes ago.
All right, appreciate that. So we're ready to go 27 right for right 270 for 281 flight.
You all set back there, Palmer?
Yep, good to go.
On. It's on. Where's up? Floor's up.
Roger, copy, floor's up.
Enter 281 flight, just have the lead squawk, everyone else can squawk standby.
Roger, as soon as I get around the corner here, I'll kick them out. We'll turn the transponders off. Tower 281 flights requesting a free change.
Enter 201 flight, frequency change approved.
We'll see you in about...
Back to you, Montgomery.
Montgomery, copy L7, Hotel Yankee, report to 180.
Flight check.
2. Now.
3. Good part. Okay, looks like we're good to go. Leads 2 hours of fuel.
And F2's 2 hours fuel, all green.
F3 is 3 hours of fuel, all green. 4 is 3 hours fuel, all green.
Palmer, if you're not on
Here's 4
go ahead, get on the control.
departing runway 29 with a southbound turn of 2000, so flight is 3860.
Alright, I got it.
Blue Hawk Step 10, flight traffic at the southern tip of Point Loma is a
Don't
Cirrus
pass,
at
please.
500.
Yeah, I got that part.
Okay.
Skyhawk 4, correction Skyhawk.
And Dash 2 Bravo is flying.
Roger, and Lee's got the 1130 traffic in sight.
Pad 9, delay with...
Go ahead and tighten it up, we'll do a little bit of warm-up. Go ahead and tighten it up.
You stay with it. I'll give you the references just to refresh. Aileron split to the rear engine latch.
Okay, gotcha.
Actually, stay on it. Stay with me, and I'm just going to put you in position, then I'll let go, okay?
Copy.
All right, my plane. So there's the aileron split for me. I'm not sure if it looks much different for you. To the rear engine cowl latch.
Yep.
We want split wing, top and bottom surface, and then for me, the horizontal stabilizer is just splitting the 22 on the tail numbers.
Yeah, I'm heading the 1 on the horizontal stab.
Okay, whatever works for you. So why don't you take it, and I'll just stay on there with you, but you're flying, okay?
Got it.
You're flying. And be aggressive.
Yeah, working on it.
A little bumpy, so it's going to keep it challenging.
I like a challenge.
That's good. There you go. The only problem with flying so close to flip is radio overdrives mine, and so it gets garbled. So usually it's not a big deal, but
Gotcha.
I think that might have been Oz down on the Midway right now. Just doing good. Putting Mark to the slot. Not sure if Mark saw that. Oh, I think he's moving.
go.
A little bit of top surface. Right there. Add a little power. Right there.
Salute lead, over.
Salute ground, how copy?
We're at the hold in the South Bay, loud and clear.
Copy, all stand by, we're going to push you early, be prepared.
Alright, why don't you let me have it?
Here, controls, you got it.
Nice job. Very nice job.
Yeah, thank you much. I actually like the way that flies better than the Mentor.
Don't say that out loud.
I figured.
I'll try to get you up for some form macro in the near future here.
I would love that.
See, now that it's smooth, I took the controls back, so.
Good flight, salute ground, full stand, push it.
Salute ground, was that for lead?
Push it now.
Wow. Here we go.
Salute ground, salute lead.
Said push it now.
Okay, we're getting down. Cleared into the Bravo, everything looks good. Be there in 1 minute. Lights on, standby smoke.
We're gonna get smoke in the cockpit, just so you know.
Copy.
Smoke on, Mark. Standby right turn. Rolling right.
Everyone's watching.
Stand by reversal. Standby rolling left. Leave the smoker on the window. Standby. 1, we're heading to the south bay back to the east.
Beautiful job, guys. Stay flight home.
That's to bring Mark out of the slot. Across under signal.
Get him in the echelon here, we'll do 1 rejoin.
Low and tight. (1001), 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Blue 2's in. Blue 3's in. To the left.
Blue 4's in. Okay, 3002, and we may, if we do come down here, I'll be monitoring your frequency. It's 12281.
Bringing them across the windshield. Line up the vertical stabilizer with the outboard wing. Slightly acute. Stack a little high for benefit of 3 and 4. One more of those?
Yeah, I'm going to hold out there to have you get in, and we'll head back to the south a little bit.
4's in.
Here, all right.
So it's a double pump to cross those guys over to our left side.
And that's what control 2 of each timer, so we're good with the 1500.
This will drop down to
continue this echelon turn. Stand by for the rollout. Rolling out now. Blue 2's in. Blue 3 is in. Blue 4 is in. Now we're going to do a couple of breakup and rejoins, and we're heading to the east in about 5 minutes. Back. Okay, about 10 o'clock. Here we go. I think we're now at GCO we're going on at North Island and here Reed, so we're going to terminate and head back to the left there. Back at eat. Right left. Go back to the left. Rolling up. Palmer, you want to take it?
Yeah, sure.
Your plane. I've got some down trim, just so you know.
Okay.
And if you want me to back that off, just let me know.
Copy.
A little bit of top surface, please. Right there. Dash 2 Bravo's flying.
Whiskey 29011 3000. Information required. Mark Bravo's flying. Salute flight 1, surrounded by it, second lap, and southbound 4.6.
So he's wagging us out. So just take a little lateral separation. You keep flying.
Salute flight, push button 5.
Gillespie Tower, Warrior 819er 16 on the localizer Delta.
Warrior 819er 16 Gillespie Tower, put the missed approach point for your westbound circle to runway 17.
Westbound circle to runway 27, was it 27 left? 916.
Warrior 916, do you have information, whiskey?
I have Victor, we can get whiskey though, 916.
Warrior 916, no problem. You can stay with me, wind 2108, altimeter 300, and runway 17's in use, so just report the missed approach point, expect a westbound circle for right traffic for 17.
Stay with you, thanks for the ATIS, we'll expect westbound, so runway 17 and missed approach point 916.
Number 4 Charlie Foxtrot, runway 17, clear touching up.
Gillespie Tower, Mentor 12281.
Mentor 12281, Gillespie Tower.
Flight of 4 Sweetwater with Victor, like to make the initial for a left brake 17.
Mentor 281, flight Roger, information whiskey is current, but you do have 17. Winds 2107, altimeter 3000, you can set up for a 2-mile initial runway 17.
Okay, we'll do a wide downwind to set up for an initial, 2-mile initial for 17. Salute flight check.
Salute 2.
3. Salute 4.
Once he wiggles his wings, I'll take it back, but we're good for now.
Copy.
Enter 12281 for traffic inbound on the localizer, just fly toward Lake Jennings, I'll call your turn inbound for the field.
281 and fly Wilco.
Enter 281 flight, just for your situational awareness, there's traffic on the localizer Warrior 2800 over Crest inbound to the field. They're going to be circling for 17, you're going to be coming in after them, so we'll call your turn inbound to the field, just head toward Lake Jennings for now.
Okay, we're coming right, and we're at 1,500, and we'll look for the Warrior to pop out here in a minute.
So, did he wiggle his wings? I was looking down.
Yes, he did.
Okay, thank you. Good catch. Once you know it.
Tighten it up. Tower for terrain separation. 281 flight, like to do a left 360 here.
Enter 201 flight approved as requested.
That's
4 Charlie Foxtrot, start your left crosswind, runway 17, clear touching off.
Clear touching to 17, I can full stop it for you, Palmer, 4 Charlie Fox.
You don't need the full stop if you don't want to, we got everything worked out.
Roger. 4 Charlie Fox, touch go.
Do a left brake, he's going to have to move me over to the other side for a right echelon, so we can anticipate that.
Gotcha.
Controller 12281 flight, proceed inbound.
One's proceeding inbound for the 2-mile initial 17.
Air 916 on the Mr. Perchway. Warrior 916 at midfield, report, or correction, circle northwest of the field, join right downwind, runway 17, clear to land. At midfield, we'll go circle northwest for runway 17, clear to land. 916.
Foxtrot, continue upwind.
Was that for 12281 in flight? Tower 281 in flight, working for the traffic to Palmer.
Winter 201, no problem, just continue on the 2-mile initial.
We'll continue for 281.
Cessna 4 Charlie Foxtrot, traffic, short final, runway 17, Cherokee, report in sight.
I got the Cherokee side, 4 Charlie Fox.
4 Charlie Foxtrot, Roger, number 2, follow them, runway 17, clear touch and go.
Number 2, be a full stop this time, 4 Charlie Fox.
4 Charlie Foxtrot, runway 17, clear to land, wind 1908.
Land 17, 4 Charlie Fox, number 2 now.
Mentor 281 flight at midfield, brake left, short approach approved, runway 17, clear to land, wind 1808.
Okay, we'll break left midfield. We're clear to land 17 for 281 in flight.
Warrior 9916 left there and contact ground. Left on Bravo 3, will contact ground 916.
Mike's making room for me. I don't think Cliff hasn't signaled me yet.
around me on the echelon turn, Mike.
Support Charlie Foxtrot, right at Alpha 3, contact ground.
Alpha 3 is around 4 Charlie Fox.
Two, 1003, 1004, 1005. Got lead in sight. Got gear speed.
3 gear down and low.
Looking good.
And dash 2 gear down lock. And we got flaps. Three poles, 3 greens. Props coming forward. We're down.
Press gear down and lock.
That's our 281 flight, left to enable, contact ground.
Okay, left to enable, and we'll get make room for all 4 of us, and we'll go to ground 2815. You're okay. How do you up on TAC 1?